You did. What did you do? Well, that's very interesting. I'm only just making this video to show Debbie, whoa, her jumpers in action. Now, Eddie, you want to come this way and give me a bit of a fashion show? No? What do you do? Alright. Oh, that'll do. Hello. Yes. Oh, you can use... What are you doing down there? Now, you've got words, man. What are you trying to say?
And he doesn't want to have a video.
He doesn't want to have a video. Is that why he's doing it down there?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. I think he'll be alright. Oh, I don't think he hurt himself. I think he's just a little bit of a crazy small boy.
Yeah, he tries to. I've lost all my toys, does he?
Well, yeah, that's what happens.
Then Mommy and me and you, Daddy, find it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Here we go. There we go. Go and sit next to Eddie quickly and we might actually get a photo. A bit too far away. Oh well, you get the picture. Ah, there we go. Perfect.
Baby, I'm